What if the treasure you've been seeking was already within you, hidden, unnoticed, waiting for the right moment to shine? Today, we uncover a story not just of gold, but of resilience, transformation, and the timeless truth that lies beneath the surface. Our journey begins in Thailand, where history and nature intertwine. Here, amidst the silence of an ancient temple, lies a secret that remained buried for centuries, a story waiting to inspire the world. Picture yourself walking through the dense forest. The air hums with the sounds of nature, the scent of wet earth filling your senses. As you move closer, the ruins emerge, ancient, weathered, yet resilient. They whisper of secrets untold. Centuries ago, in the golden age of Sukhothai, a city flourished with art, devotion, and cultural brilliance. Among its many marvels was a creation unlike any other, a Buddha forged from pure gold. It was not merely a statue, it was a beacon of spiritual devotion, radiating light and hope to all who beheld it. But as the golden city thrived, whispers of unrest crept like shadows through its streets. The harmony of prosperity began to falter, trembling under the weight of uncertainty. A storm of change loomed on the horizon, threatening to shatter the city's peace. Imagine standing in that city, the air filled with the scent of incense, the hum of devotion echoing from temples, and the rhythmic chiseling of stone resonating through the courtyards. This was a time when faith was tangible, etched into every corner of Sukhothai. Think of the artisans who dedicated their lives to this golden masterpiece. Each chisel, each detail was more than craftsmanship. It was a prayer, a testament to their unwavering faith. To them, the golden Buddha was a symbol of their culture's resilience and their deepest spiritual aspirations. Every stroke of the chisel carried a prayer for peace and hope, a wish that their creation would stand as a guardian of their legacy, preserving their culture for generations yet to come. The Sukhothai era was a time of unparalleled creativity and devotion. Every temple, every statue built during this golden age reflected the people's deep connection to their faith. Their legacy would endure through the centuries, embodied in the radiant light of the golden Buddha. As Sukhothai's influence waned, the golden Buddha embarked on a sacred journey to the kingdom of Ayutthaya. It was a journey of faith, a testament to the devotion of those who sought to preserve its light for future generations. Each step was heavy, not just with the weight of the statue, but with the burden of responsibility. Every creak of the cart's wooden wheels echoed their prayers, their hopes, their fears. The forest was dense, its paths uncertain, but their resolve was unwavering. Imagine the whispers of the river as they crossed, the chilling winds through the trees, and the ever-present shadow of danger lurking in the unknown. Yet, through it all, they moved forward, driven by a higher purpose. To them, the golden Buddha was more than a statue. It was a vessel of their beliefs, a beacon of light meant to guide generations to come. The year was 1767. The Burmese army was advancing relentlessly toward Ayutthaya, leaving destruction in its wake. The monks knew that among the treasures at risk was the golden Buddha, a sacred symbol of faith, revered for centuries. It was more than a statue. It was the heart of their spiritual devotion. Inside the dim light of a grand temple, monks gather around the radiant golden Buddha. Their faces are filled with worry and determination. An elder monk, his voice steady despite the fear around him, proposes a daring plan. To protect what could not be replaced, the monks made a bold and heartbreaking decision. They would disguise the Buddha's true form, ensuring it would not catch the eye of invaders. Imagine the weight of their decision to hide something so sacred, to veil its brilliance, knowing they might never see it in its full glory again. Each monk carried the burden of duty, bound by faith to protect this divine treasure. Layer by layer, the monks cloaked the golden Buddha in stucco, obscuring its brilliance. The task was arduous, but their devotion was unwavering. In their hearts, they carried a single hope, that one day, the truth would be revealed. Each layer of stucco was a prayer, each stroke a promise to the future. They worked in silence, their hearts heavy, yet steadfast. They believed they were protecting not just a statue, but the essence of their faith. As the final layer was placed, the monks stood back. Their creation now appeared humble, ordinary, but in their hearts, they knew. It remained extraordinary. The golden Buddha would endure, hidden, until the world was ready for its light once again. Then, Ayutthaya fell. The Burmese army stormed the city, leaving it in ruin. Among the destruction, the monks' plan was put to the ultimate test. The golden Buddha, now hidden beneath layers of stucco and glass, was left in the safety of a quiet, unassuming temple. Picture their resolve. They had done all they could to shield their sacred icon from the invader's grasp. Beneath the simple clay covering lay centuries of devotion, now hidden in plain sight. While the city burned, the golden Buddha remained silent, a witness to the destruction but untouched by greed. What was once the centerpiece of faith had become a hidden beacon of hope, waiting for the day its light could shine again. Think of the years rolling by, storms battering the temple, vines creeping over stone, and the golden heart of the Buddha waiting silently for its moment to shine again. The war left its mark not just on the city, but on its people. The monks who had safeguarded the golden Buddha were lost, and the villagers who once prayed here fled, leaving behind a silent, sacred witness to their faith. For over 200 years, the golden Buddha remained hidden, forgotten by time but unyielding in its silent resilience. Imagine the solitude of the golden Buddha, standing as a testament to the enduring spirit of those who created it. Through wars, abandonment, and the passing centuries, it waited for the moment its brilliance would once again inspire the world. In the mid-20th century, the disguised Buddha found its way to Bangkok. Placed under a modest corrugated iron shelter, it stood there for 20 years, protected from the elements but awaiting its true purpose. And then, in 1957, during a historic relocation of an entire monastery, fate intervened. As monks worked together to move a massive clay Buddha, a crack appeared in its surface. One monk noticed something extraordinary, a golden light emanating from within the statue. With a hammer and chisel, they carefully chipped away at the clay, revealing a treasure hidden for centuries. The streets of Bangkok bustled with life, but the treasure hidden within Wat Tramet remained unnoticed by the masses. Little did they know, they passed by a story waiting to be rediscovered, a story that would remind them of their shared heritage. A single crack revealed what lay hidden for centuries. Beneath the humble exterior was a golden brilliance, untouched by time. Imagine their shock, their wonder, as the clay fell away to reveal the treasure beneath. What they thought was ordinary had always been extraordinary. As the workers peeled back the final layers of stucco, the crowd fell silent. For the first time in centuries, the golden Buddha's light touched the world again. A light that spoke of resilience, faith, and the enduring beauty of truth. The golden Buddha was given a new home, its splendor finally recognized. No longer hidden, it became a beacon, not just of faith, but of the limitless potential buried within each of us. This was more than a statue. It was a reminder that even under layers of doubt, fear, and time, the light within us remains. Its rediscovery was not just a moment of revelation, but an invitation to every soul to uncover their own hidden treasures. They say those who gaze upon the golden Buddha are struck by a profound sense of hope, as if it speaks directly to the heart. Your gold still shines beneath the clay. In its radiant presence, visitors are reminded of their own untapped potential, waiting patiently to be revealed. It stood as a testament to resilience and truth, a symbol of hope for those who felt lost, and a reminder for those who had forgotten their inner strength. It whispered that beneath life's struggles, the true self waits to shine again. The golden Buddha's story is not just a tale of history, it is a mirror held up to each of us. It asks, what lies hidden within you, waiting to be revealed? What fears, doubts, or struggles must you chip away to uncover your own brilliance? This story reminds us that our greatest treasures are often concealed beneath the layers of life's challenges. Like the golden Buddha, the light within us is eternal, waiting for the moment we choose to let it shine. Will you take the first step toward uncovering your own gold? Every sunrise whispers an invitation to shed the weight of yesterday and embrace the possibilities of today. Let this moment remind you to peel back the layers of doubt, fear, and pain, to uncover your inner gold and let it shine. The world doesn't need perfection, it needs your authentic light, your true self. You are the light, shine. While the Golden Buddha stands as a profound symbol of spiritual resilience and hidden potential, it is also a treasure of immense historical and material value. Let us uncover the incredible facts that make it one of the most priceless artifacts in the world. The Golden Buddha in Wat Trimit, Thailand, stands 9 feet 8 inches tall and weighs 5.5 tons. Crafted from 18-karat gold, it is valued between $250 million and $482 million. Its origins date back to 1403, and for centuries it has been revered as a symbol of spiritual devotion and resilience. Today, it holds the title of the largest gold object in the world, a testament to its unmatched significance and craftsmanship. One of its most remarkable features is the Buddha's hair and topknot, which weigh an astonishing 45 kilograms and are made of 99% pure gold. This extraordinary detail further emphasizes the statue's cultural and artistic importance. The Golden Buddha is ingeniously constructed from 9 separate pieces, a traditional casting method. These pieces are not permanently fused, but designed with interlocking grooves and keys, allowing them to be disassembled and reassembled. This unique feature symbolizes not only technical mastery, but also the idea of progress and adaptability. But its true value lies in the light it inspires within all who encounter it, a beacon of hope and resilience for generations. If this story moves you, click like, share, and subscribe to Awakenity Tales for more transformational stories.